women who were responsible in the successful conduct of your graduation activities, the Executive Board of the Graduating Class Batch 2012-2013. Let us give them a big round of applause. Young Mark S. Lalay, Auditor, Bachelor of Science and Accountancy. Jovan S. Delayo, Treasurer, Bachelor of Science and Accountancy. Mary Grace C. Torres, Secretary, Bachelor of Science and Accountancy. Elayo D. Padillo, Vice President, Bachelor of Science and Accountancy. And finally, Marciano P. Mordiano III, President, Bachelor of Science and Accountancy. Congratulations to all the graduating class, Batch 2012-2013. We will see you on April 21 during the graduation ceremonies at the Philippine International Convention Center at 3 p.m.
Thank you, Dean.